Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. Our Google Ads series is going on. If you want to watch the whole series, you can come to our channel and watch those videos from here. Okay, so in today's lecture, you will see how to modify columns in Google Ads. So without further ado, let's get started. So we are in the Google Ads dashboard right now. So for modifying column, I'll go to the campaign section and I'm gonna choose one of the campaigns from here. Okay, so you can see an option called columns available here. So for modifying it, I just need to click on this and I'm gonna click on modify columns. So you can modify columns on the basis of performance, setup, conversions, attribution, attributes, competitive metrics, call details, message details, change history, add customizer attributes, and you can also customize columns. Okay, for example, I'll click on performance and those metrics are already available in your columns like clicks, cost, impression, CTR. So suppose you want to see this matrix called average cost in your column. So I'm gonna click on this check mark, and for now, I'm gonna be choosing this one as well, impression absolute top of the page. So I'm gonna select this one, and if I click on apply, then we'll see those metrics in our column. So if I scroll, then you can see average cost, impression absolute top page is also available in our column. Okay, so I'm gonna go to the column section again and click on modify. Then suppose I will click on these conversions and I want to see how many conversions we are getting, cost per conversions, conversion rate, conversion value. Okay, so I'm gonna click on apply and let's see whether those metrics are available in our columns or not. So you can see over here conversions, cost per conversion, conversion rate, conversion value. So that is how you can modify your columns. Okay, so you can go through these options and set up different metrics for seeing those data in your column section. So if you want to see the call details like how many phone calls you are getting, phone impressions, PTR. Similarly, you want to see the attribution like conversions, current model, cost per conversion, current model. So you can customize those options according to your requirements. So yeah, that is how you can customize columns from your Google Ads. So hopefully you have a clear understanding on how we can do it. Yeah, that's it for this video. If you like our video, then you can subscribe our channel, follow our page. You have a good day. Bye bye.